How to use Capital One virtual card. Now if you want to use virtual card on Capital One, what you can do is you can actually access it through the Capital One mobile application. Virtual card is basically an e-card, so it is not a physical card, but you still have the card number within your account type. Now what you can do is you can actually just log into your Capital One mobile application. Then once you've done that, you can tap on get your virtual card under your credit score or your credit card balance. From there you can simply complete the security check, and from there you can view your virtual card number, expiration date and security code. Now to use a virtual card, you can simply use it like any of the other card. For example, on other websites like e-commerce websites like Amazon, if you want to shop for something, you can add your card as a normal payment method and you can check out using that particular card. You can also add that virtual card to your Google Pay balance in order for you to be able to purchase something from Google Pay as well. This way you'll be able to use Capital One virtual card. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.